and welcome back to another unboxing obsession video. If you are new to my channel and you do enjoy watching unboxings of all sorts of boxes out there, I can't talk, make sure that you go ahead and you subscribe to my channel. If you are already subscribed, then woo, welcome back my beautifuls. So happy to be back with you guys, and today I have a new box to share with you guys, and it is called, I think that's an O subscribe, but it's from Simply Occasional. um so with that said, I will give you guys a little bit of detail about the box, and then like I always do, I will go ahead and I will leave you guys all the details on the description down below. So the inside every box, you will discover unique collection of lovely things based off that month's theme. So the theme changes every month, which is awesome. Allowing you to discover amazing new brands. SO Subscribe truly is a handcrafted shopping experience like no other. And this box, guys, is $39.99. And like I said, this is just a little brief description of the box. We're gonna go ahead and unbox it together, and then I will leave you guys all the details on the description down below, because I want to get into this box. So with that said, let's get started. So again, this is what the box looks like. So it's SO Subscribe. I can't wait to see what's in here. So I'm opening this box with you guys. I have no idea what's in here, guys. So hope my glasses are somewhere close by. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Look how pretty. It has a little sticker. So let's go ahead and remove the sticker so we can get into the box. Okay. So here we go. Okay. I will show you guys again. Ooh, I see a lot of goodies in there. I am excited. Okay. So Simply Occasional. And then on the back, can't talk. So this is my information card, I believe, but I don't have any prices, guys. So that's my information card there. Okay, so let's see. I'm just gonna start taking things out of the box. So the first item that I picked out the box are going to be these beautiful eyelashes. Love them. And they are from Fashionized, and they are, it has a number here, Y104. So let's see. Okay, I see them here. So they are from Etsy.com, from the shop Fashionized. If you guys are interested in getting a pair, these are again Y104, and they are stunning. I love them. Next up, we have a Moroccan Rose lip balm from Humble. Then we have from Bloom and Grow. What is this? So it says it's a wildflower in the spring of late fall. It has a little story there. Oh, so these are these seeds? I believe these are seeds. So this is what the little tin can looks like, and then we have that inside, and I will go ahead and check what this is. So okay, Bloom and Grow wildflower seed tin, and it's from Idea Chick, and it's www.ideachick.net if you guys would like. So these are seeds, guys, wildflower seeds. Okay, so next up we have this right here, and this is going to be, it's from Pabani. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that correctly, but it's a floral water, and it's for skin and eyes. So this is going to be, I mean, just really not a lot of information. It just says floral water. But you can use this on your skin and you can use it under your eyes as well. So that is cool to know. Next up, we have some tags. So we have some gift tags. Oh, they are so pretty. Oh, wait until I show you guys all this. They are adorable. Look how pretty they are. So they each have a cutout heart. They are adorable. I love the string. It's white and gold. Oh, this one is so pretty with the flowers. And then on the back, they are blank. So this can use them for anything. Birthdays, graduations, um, weddings, just thinking of you. They can be used for anything. And they are, this one actually has two. This one is two-sided and this one is as well. So pretty. I love them. So next up, I have, here's $10 free. Choose your own swag. So they're giving me $10 to go into this website here and get whatever I want with the $10, which is pretty cool. Next up, oh, okay, look what I just found. So for the floral water, there's actually an information card in here. So it says the eye wash ritual. So it has a ritual. And then, okay, my next one is going to be a lippy clip, the original lip balm holder. So adorable. So I can put my lip balm right in there. So look how pretty that is, guys. I love the flowers. And you can hang this inside your bag. Let me tell you a short story really quick. Every time I want to find a lip balm or lipstick or whatever inside my purse, it's a nightmare. So this is pretty cool because I can just clip this inside the purse, put my lipstick, my lip balm, whatever, put that in there, and it's never going to be lost again. So this is pretty cool. Pretty cool and necessary. And next up, I have some stickers. They are called Pip stickers. They are adorable for my scrapbooking. Look how pretty they are. I love them. So pretty. And then next up, I have, oh, this box is just full of goodies, huh? It has a little bit of everything. I like that. So this here is going to be bloom where you are planted. So this is a journal, a notebook. What is it? So this is what it looks like. I will take it out the plastic so you guys can see it. Because I would like to see if it's a journal or if it's just a notebook. Oh, but it's so pretty. Oh, and it feels so nice. It is kind of a journal. I mean, you can use this for whatever you want. Look how pretty it is. It's adorable. The material is like super nice. And then it just has like blank pages. So this is going to be, so it is a journal. Love it. So it is a journal. And I can use this for scrapbooking. I can use this for whatever I wish. And for whatever you guys wish. If you guys decide to get the box. So again, this box is so adorable, guys. Let me know what you think on the comments down below because I love it. It's super cute. It had a little bit of everything. So adorable. I love the eyelashes and the floral water. Love it for the skin, for the eyes. Super cute. The lippy holder is like super adorable. I really like it. So again, this is it for this box, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And I will see you guys back soon with a different unboxing video. Bye, guys.